Well, former MSU doctor Larry Nassar is serving 60 years in prison for child pornography, and he's scheduled to be sentenced next week for sexually abusing young girls under his care. Tonight, 7 investigator takes a look at the legal battles facing Michigan State in the wake of this scandal.
8 indictments unsealed earlier today in Chicago.
Patrick Fitzgerald made his name as a U.S. attorney, prosecuting drug dealers, crooked politicians, and sex traffickers. Today, he's an attorney for the Chicago-based law firm Skadden Arps, one of an army of lawyers defending Michigan State University from civil lawsuits filed over the Larry Nassar scandal.
We have hired in this case what I believe to be one of the most ethical attorneys that we could have.
Fitzgerald is a top-of-the-line attorney that charges top dollar. The wage for him and 2 other lawyers assigned to the Nassar case, nearly $1,000 an hour. It's no surprise, then, that Skadden has billed MSU nearly $4.1 million for just under a year's work on the Nassar case. And they're not alone. The Detroit-based firm Miller Canfield was brought on starting in January. So far, bills submitted to the school total over $400,000. Through September, the 2 firms have charged MSU more than $4.5 million. That number will only get much larger as cases against MSU near trial and more plaintiffs join in. What could the entire Nassar scandal cost Michigan State? Well, at Penn State, where the Jerry Sandusky scandal had only about a quarter the number of accusers, the school shelled out more than $240 million for attorney fees, fines, and settlements. The Nassar scandal is expected to dwarf that.
There's probably in excess of 150 plaintiffs. Potentially it could exceed $1 billion.
The money to pay MSU's attorneys comes from a special reserve fund set aside for legal services. It does not include general fund or tuition dollars. I'm Ross Jones, 7 Action News.